Hi, this is Mattia from Spidi, and we're now presenting the GT Pro textile touring jacket. This jacket features all the best technology in terms of touring, comfort, and riding performance on a touring bike. First of all, the amazing external fabric, which is Cordura 500 interlaced with Kevlar threading. This makes for an incredible wearing resistance. This material is top-notch and really satisfies all the needs for a great fitting, but at the same time super resistant material. We have 4 pockets on the front, and if we move on the back, we have under a comfort point of view, we have 2 stretch areas that come from the leather suit cuts, and then we have wide possibility to adjust the waistline, other stretch areas over the lumbar area. We have reflex areas here for night riding, and when it comes and when the weather gets a little bit warm, we can have this dynamic Vance system that allows you to expel the warm humidity and air coming from your body. You can actually decide to keep that open or close them, just depending on the weather. If the weather it gets very warm, you want to leave them open in order to expel the hot air. If it's a little bit cold, you can just close them in order to gain insulation. Of course, you can see underneath it that there is our H2OUT waterproof and windproof membrane, which always makes for great riding even in the winter or under the rain. And another great features that we can find on the back here is the safety lamp. As you can see, there's this blue line over here. This blue line is actually a lamp that is controlled by this small device that is stored in this small pocket, and we're now operating it. There are 2 ways to operate it. You can keep the light on and off like this, like a blinking light, or otherwise you can just leave it on for night riding. You're going to be visible, and you're going to be a spot in the dark, so car drivers really can spot you easily. So back on front, we have an adjustable collar that can be adjusted depending on your needs, and then if we unzip the double layered zipper, which is waterproof, we discover a standalone thermo jacket that can be easily used as a standalone, and it's really comfortable and soft. Also, you can equip a chest protector in order to make the jacket a complete safety pack. Of course, the leather already comes with the full protectors kit on the shoulders, forearms and elbows, and a full back protector. This is not the usual back protector that we put on our jacket. We made an extra effort and put a back warrior, a full back warrior, back already in place into the jacket. Finally, I would like to mention the fact that we also have produced the GT Pro trousers that go along with the jacket and make for the perfect touring kit.